Science and Maths Circle event under PM3 scheme Learning Beyond Class. Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Abdul Samad editorials. Today we come together to celebrate curiosity, creativity and critical thinking in Science and Math Circle event organized at PM3 Government Higher Secondary School Doibu under the PM3 scheme. The program was organized by the PM3 cell Office of the District Project Officer Samagra Shiksha, Papumpare District, Arunachal Pradesh. The program begins with the gathering of participants from the PM3 schools of the district, mentors, teachers and educators with enthusiasm and purpose. The program formally opens with a welcome address by Mrs. Tang Morami, District Project Coordinator, Papumpare District, which outlines the objectives and vision of this academic initiative. Participants present their innovative models before the judges, showcasing their talent, logic, and scientific temperament. The core academic activities begin with the Math Circle, followed by Science Circle, where reasoning, problem solving, and analytical skills were presented by the participants. Engineer Tana Tagur, JE, PWD Doimuk Division, addressed the gathering as an eminent expert, sharing his experiences and inspiring young learners. In the event, science kits and math kits are also distributed to PM3 schools of the district, strengthening hands-on learning and practical education. The most awaited moments arrives with the announcement of results, along with the distribution of cash awards, demo checks, and trophies to the winners, recognizing their effort of the participants. The program concludes with a vote of thanks by Dr. Abdul Samad on behalf of the PM3 Government Higher Secondary School Doimo, expressing gratitude to all contributors and participants, and finally marking the end of a meaningful and memorable academic journey. Thank you.